Today I want to show you how to create a simple infographic in After Effects. First, let's create a circle shape and add a Trim Paths effect. Set the keyframes you need and adjust the graphs. Next, duplicate this layer, tweak the parameters, and change it to a different color. Now create a text layer. Hold Alt and click on Source Text, then paste in this expression. Add a point control and set the numbers you want. You can duplicate it, adjust the values, and change the colors as needed. After that, create another text layer and draw a mask for where the text will sit. Go into Path Options, link it to the mask, and position your text using the Margin property. Duplicate the layer, change the text, and repeat the process. Now, add a solid layer and apply a gradient wrap, adjusting it the way you like. Finally, let's add some effects, Deep Glow and Shadow Studio. You can also add CC Glass if you want extra detail. And that's it. Here's the final result.